Bottlebrush plants, Callistemon spp, are a type of evergreen shrub that is native to Australia. These plants are named after their striking bottlebrush-like red flowers that bloom in late spring and early summer. They are a popular choice for landscaping due to their showy blooms and attractive foliage. Growing bottlebrush plants. Bottlebrush plants are relatively easy to grow, and they prefer warm climates. They can grow in USDA hardiness zones 9 to 11, and they can tolerate some cold temperatures. However, prolonged freezing can damage the plant. Soil. Bottlebrush plants prefer well-draining soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. If your soil is heavy and clay-like, add sand or other organic matter to improve drainage. This will help prevent water from pooling around the plant's roots and causing root rot. Watering. Water the plant regularly during the first year after planting to establish its root system. After that, it is relatively drought-tolerant but prefers to be watered regularly. Water the plant deeply once a week, especially during hot and dry periods. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Sunlight. Bottlebrush plants thrive in full sun but can tolerate partial shade. Place the plant in a spot where it will receive at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Fertilizer. Fertilize the plant in the spring and fall with a balanced fertilizer. Do not over-fertilize as it can damage the plant. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully. Pruning. Prune the plant in the early spring to remove any damaged or dead branches. You can also prune to shape the plant or control its size. Bottlebrush plants can grow up to 12 feet tall, so regular pruning can help keep them at a manageable height. Pests and diseases. Bottlebrush plants are generally pest and disease resistant but can be affected by scales, spider mites, and aphids. Check the plant regularly for signs of infestation, such as white or yellow spots on the leaves or tiny insects on the stems. Treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or oil.